All right, this is gonna be the last startup with my stock exhaust on the V2. So I'm gonna get a little sound so we can get a comparison, stock versus Akrapovic. All right, let's go. I'm gonna, let's see, set the mic. The stock exhaust, you know, I never thought it was too bad until I rode with a bunch of people who have the Akrapovic, and it's amazing. So a little sound of that. All right, now I'm gonna head over to the dealership and they're gonna put it on for me. I'm so excited. All right. The bike is back and the exhaust is on. Look at this. Look at that. Now the stock exhaust on these really looked pretty good already. But damn, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, let's, it's not cold right now, so you're not gonna get a cold start, but it still sounds. Ready, here we go. Oh my goodness. You hear that? Woohoo! Do you approve, Ranger? Ranger approves. I'll give you guys a little rev here. My goodness, yeah, it's on a whole nother level with that sound. Damn, beautiful. Well, there you guys have it.